Hello everyone, are you ready for the new recipe? It's going to be very delicious and very simple, and in a 2 minutes, within a 2 minutes you can make this. Yeah, believe me, it's a smoothie, banana smoothie, and it's very delicious. You can have it whenever you want, like morning time. I always recommend have fruits. If you feel like bore of sometimes like not having fruits, that time you can make these kind of smoothies. So smoothies are like this one is more fulfilling also. Move on to the recipe, like without any making delay. So I'm taken here three ripe bananas. Okay, ripe one because it gives the sweetness without we need not to add any extra sweetness. So it will be so sweet. You can skip the sweeteners. For smoothies, especially smoothies, you should take ripe one. So I am taken here three ripe bananas and cut into small pieces. Add that in a mixer jar. So now I am adding here cashew milk. See, it's a cashew milk, and I have taken here it's a thick one. So means thick means like I have soaked the cashews and I have grinded that. How much water it will require to grind? That much only I have used it. Take a quarter cup of this milk, and I didn't strain it. The cashews is there, like means cashew milk. Okay, I didn't strain anything. You can use, instead of cashew milk, you can use coconut milk also, almond milk also. That is also fine. Now I am adding here 1/8 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. So that's it, guys. Just grind this. Your smoothie is ready, right? Not even 2 minutes if you think like it. It's like if you add fast, like it will be in 1 minute ready itself. So yes, see, smoothie thickness is also there. Like smoothie texture is there. You can have this, and it's a fulfilling, stomach fulfilling, and you won't feel like hungry also for a while, and you can have this. It's a beautiful thing. I can have this without any dressing, but sometimes what happens is like for our brain, if it feels like a boring kind of a thing, so we have to make decoration for this to entertain to our brain. So what, you can add anything. I'm going to add here bananas on top of it. You can just slice it, and bananas also, it will be nice in between smoothie. You will get this banana in between, right? That will give you a different taste. So I'm adding here this pumpkin seeds, right? So you can add anything. Yeah, like I have, you can soak this and you can add that. I'm just adding to decorate now. So just add that, whatever you have handy in your house, like those things also you can add. Only thing is like, you should not add raisins, but because that as a citric kind of a thing, right? Banana and citric won't match. So instead of raisin, you can add other ingredient, anything. Even for sweetness, like if you feel like still it is not enough for use the sweet, you can free, like you are free to add this jaggery syrup, and what is that, dates, soaked dates also you can add. Just you had to grind that before. So I'm adding here little sapsa seed also. I didn't soak this sapsa seed, but I know I'm just sprinkling little bit on top of it to give that beautiful texture, right? For that only I'm adding here to entertain our brain, right? So see, our smoothie bowl is ready and simple, elegant, and yet it tastes as awesome taste. You just try it out because it has a cinnamon taste, and that cashew milk, the thickness is there, and that will give you the different taste. Okay, and it enhance the taste also. So it's ready, right? And you can see here, yeah, it's a peanut crunch munch. I have put that in decoration also for photo shoot, and you can put that also in on the smoothie for like a toppings. What is that means? It's a peanuts, and it's a roasted one. We added jaggery also. It's a different recipe, and it's very delicious. Whenever you feel like something boring, you can put that crunch munch to any dish. Okay, that will give you a different taste. So that's it for today, and see you in the next video. Until then, namaste. Thank you so much. Namaste.